Plumbing?
Yeah, can y'all come today to look at a bath shower conversion? And we need to kind of move the drain to the middle.
Okay. Is it concrete?
Yeah.
Okay, so we got two ways to do that. We have one way is the $89 diagnostic fee where we come out and we take a look at everything and we give a price.
So I'm just, I'm going to call around to see who I can get to come out here the quickest, basically.
Or the other way is we can look at it through live video chat.
Oh, okay.
It
With the
costs a lot
phone?
less.
Yeah, I could do that.
I'll text you a link to where you sign up and schedule that time, and then we can go from there. And then once I see it and make sure that I have the right person available to go over there today, then we'll most likely be able to come knock it out for you. I just need to see what it entails.
Right.
And then give you a price too, right, quick, fast.
Yeah,
and then if you want to call around all day and do all that, then you can.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
No,
but this
totally.
is the fastest way I can try to help you.
No, it sounds like it. All right, cool. Yeah, go ahead and send me the thing.
Okay, cool. I'll send you a text message with a link to that.
Okay,
or
cool.
request
Thank
that.
you.
No problem. Thank you. Bye-bye.
All right, bye.